Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into a Motorola Moto G71. First of all, open your Google application, this one, not this, sorry, one more time, Google application, and then click in here in the top right corner into a Google account icon. Then choose Settings, and here need go into Google Assistant. Into this menu need scroll down and find General option. And click here on the switcher to activate Google Assistant to your phone. Turn on Google Assistant, confirm operation, click turn on one more time, and that's it. Now we activate Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.